Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do this soft glam romantic kind of look for Valentine's Day. So if you want to know how I did this, keep watching. First thing I'm going to do is fill in my brows with my IT Cosmetics brow pencil. I'm just going to go very softly where there's hair missing or it's not as full and just fill it in a little bit. I just like to do hair-like strokes so it looks more natural. And just brush it as I go so I see where there's hair missing and if everything is looking okay. Alright, so that's all I'm gonna do. Now I'm gonna do the other one. I'm gonna top off my eyebrows with my favorite product ever, the Boy Brow by Glossier. Next thing I'm gonna do is take my Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer and prime my eyelids. Just gonna take the concealer, put it on my lids. With a concealer brush, I'm just gonna blend that out. You can take it all the way up to your brow bone and just clean your eyebrow out after you've done it. I'm going to be dipping into this color Roxy from my Anastasia Subculture palette, and I'm going to use that as a transition shade, and I'm going to apply it all over my crease. And just apply it using circular motions to blend it out as you go. Alright, to darken that up a little bit, I'm going to go into the shade Fudge. I'm going to go into the shade Fudge right here. It's a brown shade, and I'm just going to use a tiny bit just to darken the look a little bit. But I don't want to make it too dark. I'm going to keep this shade closer to the crease right here. And bring it in like this. Now I'm gonna go back into the shade Roxy with a blending brush to blend those two colors out together. I'm just gonna dip in into this shade right here, All Star, which is kind of like a pink purplish kind of shade. And I'm gonna keep it right here in the outer corner. Bring it in a little bit right here in the crease. And then I'm gonna take that blending brush and blend that out. And I will do the same thing on the other eye. I'm gonna dip into the palette Rainforest of the Sea. With a flat brush, I'm gonna dip into this shade Heat Wave right here, and I'm going to apply it on my lid. Alright, this is all I'm doing with the eyeshadow right now. I'm just gonna go ahead, do my face makeup, and then I'm gonna go back to my eyes to apply eyeshadow on my lower lid, some eyeliner, and mascara. But for now, I'm just gonna do my face makeup, and I'm gonna prime my skin using this Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. For foundation, I'm gonna go with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation. For concealer, I'm going to be using, again, the Milani concealer I used to prime my lids. I'm going to be using the translucent powder from Pretty Vulgar to set my under eyes. And around my nose as well. And I'm just going to set around my mouth a little bit. For contouring, I'm going to be using my NYX Matte Bronzer. And I'm going to be using an angle brush to contour. I took the foundation brush and just went over the contour to make it softer. And the same thing with the eyeshadow, I just took the sponge and went over the hard edges. I'm gonna be using my Hila bronzer just to bronze up a little bit more. For blush, I'm gonna be doing the Note blush in the shade Desert Rose. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to the eyes and apply some eyeshadow on the lower lid, and I'm gonna use the same transition that I use on the top. Using a pencil brush, I'm gonna go with the shade Roxy, which is that peachy shade, and I'm gonna apply it all over my bottom lid. I'm gonna dip into Fudge, but this one I'm only gonna bring like about halfway. And then I'm gonna take the shade All Star and just blend them all together. I'm gonna take the shade Adorn and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. I'm just gonna drag the shade on this area of the eye just to make the eye look more bright. I'm gonna take the shade Cube and I'm just gonna highlight the brow bone a little bit. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty liquid eyeliner to create a very small wing to create more of a romantic kind of look. I like to set my eyeliner like halfway, go down, and then go back and fill in the rest. liner is on, and now to finish it off, I'm gonna use my Wonder Beauty mascara. I'm gonna be using my Huda 3D highlighter palette to highlight. And I want to kind of go into the shade Santorini. It's like a pinkish highlighter, and I guess it goes with the theme. I'm just gonna go with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Finish Setting Spray. For lips, I'm gonna go with my Anastasia lip gloss in the color Toffee. I think a nude lip gloss would be the perfect touch for this soft glam that we're going for. Alright, this is the complete look. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more beauty and makeup videos. Bye!